All right, everybody, I went and got me a water hose for the camper and got me a few little goodies here. Show you what I got. Screws to put all this stuff on. I got two little cheap handles. Oops. Cheap handles to put one on the inside, one on the outside. To grab it, pull it in, and pull it closed. I bought this little mechanism right here. Let me put it like this to be easier to explain. And I mount it on the door, and then I can push it, and it will go. I'll drill a hole into the metal. And then what I was going to do is I bought this. I only bought this just for that one piece. I think I can put this on the door like that, and then when I close it, I can put a lock in this. I hope that's enough room to do it. But we're fixing to see. At least if I can do that, I can lock it from the outside so I can get out and come in. And if I need to come into the camp, the building in the middle of the night or something. And then when I'm not here, I can lock it from the inside so nobody can come in. So let's get busy on putting some of this stuff on. I think first I'll put this one hinge on this to where I can close the door from this side. Just because I'm on this side. I may be wrong, but I think I just drilled into another screw. That's going to be just my luck. Maybe not. There's that. They don't pull that open a little bit. I'm going to have to, I think I'm going to put the one on the back side so I can pull it closed and hold it closed while I mark where to put this other part in. And I bought wood screws just for all this, but when I'm drilling into this the sides here, there's 3 boards to go through, so I'm using my longer screws to that way they hold a little bit stronger. I hope anyway. Now let's see if I can open this other thing, see where it needs to go. I hope this works like I want it to. Again, I wasn't even thinking all these come with screws. I probably could have used them instead of what I'm getting, but it'll be all right. I'll be dang. Look at there. I didn't even see it, but it comes with, well, I can put a lock in it. I don't even have to have that other piece. I'll be dang. Let me see if I can get this marked. Here's a little red pen. This I think it might be more better. Let me fix this. Tell y'all what, for tonight, I'm gonna put it in with screws so I have it tonight. But it's got square holes in it. I think what I'll end up doing is taking it back off maybe tomorrow and put my big put a bigger nut and bolt all the way through it. That way it'd be a little harder for them to break it loose. Yeah, I believe that's what I'll do. But for tonight, I'm just going to drill it and put it in. Yeah, that's what I thought. These heads might be a little bigger. Really would rather use them, but I'll have to use these on this one. tells me that's not the right bit. Be right back. It's not really what I wanted. I've got a square bit somewhere, I just don't know where it is. That seems to be what it needs, rather than that. If I can deal with it, this one more. That was not good. Not good at all. Let's try something else. Daggone it. I knew I shouldn't have went back for that last little bit. This problem, never know when enough's enough. Let's see how that works. All right, I'm gonna shut the door right quick and mark this. I'll be right back. Oh, that's gonna be real close to the door there. I really don't need that, but all right. We're gonna try the hole opener 5000 here. All right, let me, I'm gonna turn my light on my phone so y'all can kind of see what I'm talking about. If I can do this and hold y'all at the same time. All right, here we go. Gonna pull the door closed. Probably could have left it right here. There we go. Now, I just throw a lock in right there. Everybody can get in. Now, that'll work for tonight until I come up with the other plan I've got. But that would definitely do it for tonight. So with that being said, that's all I'm gonna do tonight as far as this door. I'm gonna go find me a lock that I can put in there, and I'll have a lock to lock it for tonight. I'll hook up my water, let it, well, I'll go do the video, hook up the water and let it heat up. Then I'll get my shower and call it a night. But I'm gonna call that a productive day. I got the door finished as far as where I can lock it from the outside. I do want to do something where I can turn it. I hadn't figured out exactly what it is. Matter of fact, there's a wheel. That'd be cool if I had it where you turn the wheel. Sorry, sitting there looking. If I had it where you can turn that wheel right there and open it from the outside, that'd be cool. But I'll think about it and see if there's something I can do, something cool. But anyway, thank y'all.